right, we are on lesson 16-2. And we are looking at line segments, rays, and angles. Make sure you check your spelling on that word and that you're not writing angel. So before we even get started, we need to see what these are. We've got some vocab words. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line with two endpoints. An example is draw a straight line with a dot on one end and a dot on the other. No arrows. It doesn't go anywhere. It's just right here. So that's why I was saying before on your homework that the parts inside of a line were actually just line segments. Okay, then our next one is a ray. Not a ray of sunshine. A ray is a part of a line that has one endpoint and continues on forever in one direction. And that looks like this. You start with the line and a dot at the end to show that it's an end point, and another dot here to show the other part, but an arrow to show you that it's just going to keep on going. And then the last one to define is an angle. And an angle is a figure formed by two rays that have the same endpoint and there are different kinds of angles. One angle, start going down 2 and over 2. And then, always, you add a little square. Anytime you ever see that, that means it is a right angle. No matter what direction it is facing, that is a right angle. And you don't even have to think twice, because the minute you see that little square, you know that's what you're looking at. Now, the next kind of angle, I'm going to start by going just 2 across the bottom. And instead of going straight up, I'm going to go diagonal. So it's a right angle that's sort of been pushed forward. And the way I have always remembered it is by going, "Aw, what a cute little angle." A cute little angle, because it's got such a tiny little point in there, and that's it. The next one, again, 2 over. And instead of going in, I'm now going to go out. This one's just leaning back, living the easy life. But because he's leaning back, he's just so big that he is obtuse. Obtuse. And then, believe it or not, this is also an angle. It's a straight angle. Sounds like an oxymoron to me, but you know what? Whatever. So, if I'm looking in my book and I've got these guys right here, what is this guy? It's a line segment. What is this guy? The square gives it away. It's a right angle. What about this one? The arrow. A ray. That arrow gives it away. Okay, what about angle LMN? Acute angle. The only way you're allowed to say it is acute angle. It's the only way you can say it. What geometric term describes a line that has only one end point?
Red.
What geometric term describes a line that has two end points?
Line segment.
What geometric term describes what two edges of a book make when a corner is formed?
A right angle.
Yeah, it makes a right angle. You can see it makes a right angle. All right. So really, once again, this is a pretty straightforward lesson.